guys want to know the saddest thing that happened to me today? I beat this level, like I got an invulnerability sphere. Like I pretty much beat the level. And, like I was at the end. And you know what happened? My computer decided to shut down. I just have to deal with this all the time now. I don't know. It's just like maybe there's some sort of maybe I have too many things on it. I don't know. I don't care. All I know is that I'm bothered and also that I need help. How do I make that thing go down again? I don't know. Did it happen? Yeah. Now we have the Archvile encounter. Okay, cool. And then we go over to this area. Oh god. I don't even care, man. I'm not even gonna bother. Oh wait, I have to. Okay, well, let me deal with this guy first. Okay, I guess I wasn't close enough inside of the pain elemental to do the thing that I wanted to do, which is stop the lost souls from coming out. Owie! Perfect dodging so I don't have to deal with the lost souls. There's enough shotgun ammo in this level. That's not the reason why I'm like preserving it so much. It's just because I don't wanna have to deal with them. Anyways, we have the invulnerability, and let's hope that my computer doesn't decide to die. Now it's green too. Oh, I have to go back? Wait, how far back do I have to go? Oh, no. What? Wait, where'd I go? Wait, where'd I go? Wait, what's happening? What's even... Okay, what? No way! Dude, I swear, if I die to you... It's just tedious. I have to clean it up. Dude! Dude! I hate all of you! Oh my god, if I die, dude, that would be very... Dude! I don't even... Do I have to go. Maybe I have to go back. Where is it? Yeah, I probably have to go back here. So many! Go away! All of you! Dude, I have like 1 billion cells and now it's all gone. Ow. Can you just die? Your family. I'm just killing all those people back there. Like, I'm just shooting rockets at them. Okay, cool. That was annoying because of all the lost souls and the fact that I had to restart it. Goodbye. It's gonna happen again.